Hey, it's Dave. Here's what's new on AnyBiz.io for September 2023. Say hello to your brand new inbox. We deployed new filters on the campaign creation page. Now you can make the prospect search more accurate. We also deployed the reply with CC feature to the inbox page. So now you can send a copy of the message to other people and add them to the conversation thread. If you accidentally enter an invalid email, you will not be able to send a message until you correct this email. We also categorized replies on the algorithm side, increased the number, and improved the logic of adding prospects to the campaign. See you next week.